Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda Goldwing Tour. 1800 cc's, flat 6 engine, 4 valves per cylinder. This is the new design Honda, but this is a 6-speed manual transmission version. Beautiful condition, only 7,700 miles on this gorgeous metallic red and black two-tone. It's got the rear rack on the trunk lid with 3rd level brake. Honda CarPlay, cruise control, reverse gear. Fantastic condition. Make your Goldwing dreams come true for just $24,990. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Got the adjustable windshield. The ultimate touring machine. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.